Okay. See, we are looking at quadratic equations here, right? So basically, quadra means 2. Okay. Any equations with any equations with power 2 is said to be quadratic equations. Say for example, x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay. Equations of this form are said to be quadratic equations. These equations will take the form of ax square plus bx plus c form. Okay, clear? Suppose if it is ax plus b, these are said to be linear equations. You will study linear equations in 8th standard, 9th standard, all these places. Okay, right? Something like 2x plus 3 plus 3x plus 5. Okay, this is addition of linear equations, subtraction of linear equations, multiplication of linear equations. Okay, right? Algebra of linear equations you will learn in your 8th standard, 9th standard. Okay, clear? Now, apart from the linear equations is to power 1. Quadratic equations is to power 2, as you see here, right? This is said to be quadratic equations. Okay, if it is to power 3, it's going to be the power 3. You don't have any equations as such for that. Power 3, power 4, it keeps going. Okay, right? You have various methods to solve them, how to separate them, solve them, everything. Okay, but here we are talking about quadratic equations. Now, basically in quadratic equations, you have to solve a quadratic equation. I just told you now, there's 2x plus 3x plus 5. Say a quadratic equation like this. If you want to find the value of x value ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, if you want to find the value of x, then you can find the value of x using few methods. First thing is factorization method. Second method is completing square method. Third is formula method. All these leaving out aside, using graphical method also we can do. This was there in your syllabus till last before batch, but now it is not there. Graphical method. Okay, right? Basically, you have these first three, that is factorization method, completing square method, and formula method to solve a quadratic equation. Okay, right? I'll just show you. Firstly, I'll just tell you how you should solve in all three methods. Then we will go through each method individually. Okay, say for example, in your second exercise, first problem, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Suppose a problem like that, for example. Okay, now suppose we are doing this in factorization method. Okay, how do you do this? Just see. Now x square, what is the given? The given equation is x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Clear? Now we multiply, comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare these both equations. Okay. Compare 1 and 2. Okay. What is a value? 1. What is b value? Minus 3. What is c value? Minus 10. Okay, right? You should take AC, multiply AC. You should take two factors for any number that comes in AC. The factors that you take here, it should be in such a way that either their sum or their subtraction will be equal to B. Okay, what I mean by this means, you see here only. Now, what is AC? This is 1 and this is C. 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. Okay. Now, I should take two factors. What are the factors for 10? 1 in 10, 2 and 5. Okay. So, let us say for example 2 and 5. Because addition of 1 and 10, 1 plus 10 is 11, 1 minus 10 is minus 9. You won't get this at all. Suppose say 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 is 7, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. You have a chance of getting this. So let us say 2, 5. Okay. Here 2 must be plus, this must be minus. Okay. Now once you take plus 2 minus 5, you will be getting here B is equals to minus 3. Yes or no? Right? Now, the product of them, that is this whatever factors you take here, the multiplication of them should be equal to AC. 2 5s 10, plus into minus, minus 10. So it is satisfying all these conditions. There are only two conditions. The factors that you take here, the product must be equal to the number, and this addition or subtraction of them should be equal to B. Clear? Only these two conditions. It is satisfying both the conditions. Clear now? Now, once we get this, x square, in place of this 3x, you can write x plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. This equation becomes like this. Clear? That means what, in place of minus 3x, writing 2x minus 5x. Still the same. What is 2x minus 5x? Minus 3x, correct? Still the equation is same. Everybody following? Right? Now, take here x common, x plus 2. Take minus 5 common, x plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2 into x minus 5 equal to 0. Clear? Okay. Now, equate x plus 2 equal to 0 separately, x minus 5 equal to 0 separately. Okay. So, what is x value? Minus 2. What is x value? 5. These both are your solutions in factorization method. That's it. Clear? Understanding? Easy? Right? Let's take it down quickly.